Good morning, students. We are going to discuss about the respiratory system of a frog. So, actually, three kinds of respiration we will be discussing this frog: cutaneous, pulmonary respiration, buccal respiration. So, commonly already we know that frogs having in a both dual mode of life. Listen it on the in the land area and in the water. Okay, so depend upon this habitat they can have able to respire different type of the respiratory organ presence in their body. Different type means they are using the skin for the respiration, and they are using the buccal cavity in the mouth region, they are using respiration, and the lungs they can use the respiration. So these kinds of the respiratory organ presence in them according to the uh, mode of their life cycle. Okay va? So the frog respires on land and in the water by two different methods. So in the water, frog's skin is acts as an aquatic respiratory organ. This kind of respiration we are named as cutaneous respiration. So you have to see in the water, the frog's skin is dissolved oxygen in the water gets exchanged through by the diffusion process, exchanged through the skin by the diffusion process in the water. This is we are named as cutaneous respiration. So we have to term as aquatic respiration. Okay va? So on the land area you have to see the buccal cavity and the skin and the lungs. Three kinds of the respiratory organ they can use for the respiration on the land area. So land area la buccal cavity they can use respire, and the skin they can use respire, lungs is they can use respire. Okay va? So on the land area three different kinds of respiratory organ they can use for respiration. Okay va? So next we have to see the buccal respiration. Buccal respiration. So on the land area the mouth is remains permanently open. Land area la mouth எப்படி இருக்குமா, ஓப்பன்லே இருக்குமா, remains permanently closed while the nostril remaining open. இப்போ nostril வந்து ஓப்பனிங்காக இருந்தால் மவுத்து க்ளோஸ்டாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ the floor of the buccal cavity is alternatively raised and lowered. So raise ஆகி lower ஆகும். So the air is drawn into and expelled out of the buccal cavity repeatedly through the open of nostrils. So இது என்ன process அப்படின்னா, when the opening of the nostrils, closure of the mouth cavity. Okay, so the buccal cavity is expelled or air is drawn into the mouth region. nostril வழியாக ஏர் வந்து மவுத்துக்குள்ளே வரும்போது buccal cavity எப்படி இருக்கும், க்ளோஸ்டாக இருக்கும். Okay, so the respiration, this type of happening process we are named as a buccal respiration. Once again I tell you, buccal respiration on the land living the time of the frog, they can use the mouth remains permanently closed while the nostril is opening, and the floor of the buccal cavity is alternatively raised and lowered, so air is drawn into and expelled out of the buccal cavity. Okay va? So this process is repeatedly through the open nostrils. Next we have to discuss pulmonary respiration. So pulmonary respiration, the lungs are the pair of elongated, you have to see this lungs, pair of elongated pink colored sac like structures present in the upper part of the trunk region. Upper part of the trunk region. Trunk region means thorax. இதுதான் trunk region. Head and trunk region are present in the neck region. So the trunk region upper part situated in the elongated lungs region. It's having the sac like structures pink color. So the air enter through the nostrils into the through the nostrils into the buccal cavity and then into the lungs. Okay va? So during the estuation என்னப்பா, undergo into the summer sleep. This is estuation. And hibernation means undergo into the cold, because they cannot maintain the constant internal body temperature. Already we discussed in the previous slides, isn't it? So during the estuation and the hibernation period, gases exchange through the place of the skin. ஸ்கின்லையும் இருக்கும். சம் மாய்ஸ்டர் கண்டிஷன்ஸில் தே கேன் லிவ். மாய்ஸ்சரைசிங், இப்போ ரெய்னி சீசனில் மாய்ஸ்சரைசிங் இருக்க பிளேஸில் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா தே கேன் யூஸ் த பக்கல் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன். ஓகேவா? pulmonary respiration, buccal respiration, cutaneous respiration, 3 kinds of the respiration they can done in their body. This is a specialized characteristic seen in the amphibian group of a frog, not in other group of organisms. Thank you.